gonna teach you how to play the Grass Skirt Chase from SpongeBob SquarePants on the ukulele. So the introduction sounds like this. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna do the 2nd fret C string and the 1st fret E string at the same time. Then maintaining that same shape, we're gonna go slide up 3 frets so that we have 5th fret C string and 4th fret E string. Then maintaining that same shape, we're going to go 3 more frets up, so it's going to be 8th fret C string and 7th fret E string. Then we're going to go 3 frets down, 3 frets down again, 3 frets up, and 3 frets down again. So it should sound like this. Alright, now I'm going to play it again, but this time a little slower. Then we get into like the actual riff or the actual melody of the song, and that sounds like this. And you play that over and over and over again. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to pluck the open C string and hammer onto the 2nd fret C string. Then we're going to, on the C string, we're going to go 4, 5, 4, 2, 4, 5. Alright, then what we're going to do next is on the E string, we go 6, 5, 5, 6, 3, 6, 5, 3. So altogether we should have this. Alright, now I'm going to play it again, but this time a little slower. Then the second part goes like this. And what that is on the E string we go 5, 3, and on the C string we're going to go 5, 4, 2, open, open, 2nd fret, slide up to the 5th fret. Then on the E string we're going to go 6, 5, 5. Now here's that same exact thing, but this time played a little slower. So the whole melody or main riff should sound like this. And you just keep playing that over and over and over again. And when you want to end it, you essentially just play the beginning again. And that is how you play the Grass Skirt Chase on the ukulele. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. I try to make tutorials every week. And I hope you have a good day. Bye.